Welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back to the channel, guys. I am not going to stay and bother you throughout this video. This is a beautiful and simple design. We are going to be using our brand new acrylic that is yet to launch on the website. If you stay tuned, in our very next video, I will be showing you how you can get this beautiful frosty pink that we use on her nail beds. But as far as the design, it is a gel polish design that I actually get to use my brand new Nails by Devs shop brushes. So if you would like to check out these brushes, you can look down in our description. I will link her Instagram down there. The micro detailer brush is the truth. If you want to be able to get tiny details, and oh my God, I've done the tiniest details ever that I've ever done in my entire life with these Acrylic nails that I have on as I'm doing her nails. That will be the next video, is the Acrylic nails. And you'll get to see the brushes even more. But if you are interested, I will link that down below. The micro detailer brush is a godsend. I'm not lying. You will be able to get the tiniest details with this brush. But we are going to go in and do all nude nail beds with this brand new acrylic that has yet to drop on the website. So stay tuned. It is called Frosty Pink. And we go in with our Dehydrate Her and Prime Her from Criminal Claws also. Just make sure when you go in with your primer that you make sure that the dehydrator is completely absorbed into the nail plate and dehydrated. You want to make sure that the nail plate is all chalky white. If any of it is shiny, then you know that the dehydrator has not evaporated completely. And do not apply your primer to a non-evaporated dehydrator. It will cancel it out. The dehydrator is a mixture of acetone, alcohol, and other chemicals that dehydrate the nail plate. And the primer is literally something that absorbs into the nail plate. So the dehydrator, if it's still on the nail plate, will actually eat through the primer and just make it weak. It will not work. Don't do it. Make sure your nail beds are chalky white. And then go in with 2 coats of primer, and that should get you amazing adhesion, especially with our acrylic. And of course, I'm using our low odor EMA monomer, the Ambrosia sweet scented monomer. Oh, yes. So, all right, I am not going to bother you anymore. I will let you go. I hope you guys enjoy these little watch me works. I don't think I'll be doing another one for a little while. So I just wanted to make sure that I got you guys a couple of them when I got the chance, because I don't do nails very much anymore. I don't do other people's nails anymore. It's just too busy with the business and everything else and working. I just cannot find the time. But we're going in with our second coat of primer. And yeah, the gel polish that we use for the designs are Beetles gel polish, the neon colored from their collections. Their collection. They have a neon collection at Beetles. You can get it on Amazon. And then the black is a gel paint from Savvyland. I got, I think, maybe 8 gel paints in a kit, and I am out of black gel paint. You can see me struggle. I'm literally just twirling my brush in the bottom of the pot, trying to get as much black on it as I can. But yeah, so the black is just from Savvyland, and that also comes from Amazon. And I love their black gel paint. It is amazing. I need to order some more. But all right, I'm going to let you guys go. I'll let you enjoy the video. And don't worry, stay tuned for the next video where I do these long Acrylic nails, and you guys will see where you can get this frosted pink from. All right, I love you, and I hope you guys enjoy. Have a great day. Happy New Year. Tell me down in the bottom what this new year if anything cool has happened, like, has anything made it feel like it's going to be a better year? Like, are you getting any intuitions? Like, do you think it's going to be a better year? Do you think it's going to be worse? What do you think is about to be happening? Like, because you got to give me the lowdown. I don't know where I stand on this year yet. But all right, I'll see you guys later. Have fun. Enjoy. If you're new here, subscribe. Please just go ahead and subscribe. You're going to like us. We do lots of long nails, fun nails. And here pretty soon, I'm going to be doing a village on my nails. Oh yeah, you heard right. 3D acrylic. I'm going to be doing 3D village on my nails. So make sure that you subscribe. All right, I'm going to talk to you guys later. I will see you guys tomorrow. I'm going to be editing the Kuromi nails as soon as this video uploads. So, all right, I will see you later. Love you. Bye.
Despite the commitment you think you've secured, and despite the attention you feed her, nothing she promises is guaranteed, and she may not be there when you need her. So don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'd be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control, and she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. Don't put the weight of your world on a woman. Just love her the best that you can. Show her your power, that you'll be just fine without her, and you'll be her favorite man. She doesn't want someone who she can control, and she doesn't want someone to stare in her soul. But if you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan. If you can be still in the eye of her storm, then she'll be your number one fan.